welcome back to my channel. Welcome to 40s and Fabulous. If you're new here, hi, hello, my name's Anne. Welcome. I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. Yeah, be a part of my little family here in YouTube. Well, in today's video, it is very exciting. Yeah, but today, this is my first time doing a haul from Mango. So without further ado, let's just dive into this haul. So guys, I think I only have three items in here. It's not a very massive haul, but it is something that I am very happy and excited to open. So it literally just arrived this morning, and yes, I'm very excited. I think it took 2 weeks for it to arrive. I don't know why it's taking that long, but hey, it's here, and let's open it together. So I have to open it. I don't usually shop in Mango, but I was looking for a leather bag, a black leather bag. So, and I found one in Mango, so hopefully I'll love it. So there's just here, there's just 2 pieces here. We will start with this. This is actually a sunglasses. I am already thinking of spring and summer. I am so excited. I am so over COVID lockdown and winter. So yeah, so this is it. Let me just open. And oh, this is nice. Love it, love it, love it. It's a brown tortoise shell. Is that how you say it? It's very nice. Lovely, lovely. Let me try this on. Oh, it's a cat eye. Love, 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 love. I love that one. It seems to be very sturdy. And yeah, so that's it. Very nice. I'm so happy with it. So I'll try again. And I think the original price for this one is, doesn't say here. I think it's like 20 pounds, I think, and I've got it on sale, and it's beautiful. It feels very sturdy and very durable, so I'm so happy with this one. Love, 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 love that. And then the next one, oh yes, this is a pair of mask, reusable mask. This is also on sale. I think this is 15 pounds originally, or 19 pounds, but I got it for 6 pounds, I think. Let us see. Oh yeah, so there's 2 of them. Oh, so it's like a movie pink or a mink shade, and then these are both neutral shades, right? I think if I'm gonna use this one in a crowded area, I'm gonna put my disposable mask inside and then put this on. So it's double protection, because this is quite thin, and it's not really ideal for going out, but it's beautiful. It's nice, just the right size for my face. And then the reason why I ordered online is because of this bag. This is a leather bag, a black leather bag. I don't really have a black bag that's leather, and then I can use it for like when I go somewhere that I need to bring like documents and things like that. So I got this. It's a doesn't smell nice. It's a pure leather. So it's a bovine leather, I think. So it has a cover, and oh, I don't like the smell of this. And yeah, it looks like this. So this is pure leather, which is very nice, and I love. So that's the reason why I was looking for a leather bag. It's because I was going somewhere like 2 weeks back, and I was looking for something that is like a formal bag, something where I can put my documents on, and I didn't have any. So it was yeah, so I thought I'll get one for myself this time. Yeah, it's so smell. I don't like the smell. I hope it goes away in, you know, if I just hang them, and I hope it's the smell will go away. So yeah, that's it, guys. There's just a very small and sweet mango haul, but I love all of them, but I think this is my favorite. It's so pretty, and let me see. Yeah, so nice. But does this one suit me? I like it, and yeah, it's nice. Love it. So I hope you enjoyed this very short and sweet mango haul. And I think there's a sale going on in mango as of the minute. So if you are interested on buying something, have a look on the website. You might find it there on a lower price point, and on because it's probably on sale. But yeah, if you enjoyed this sweet video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit like and share. Leave your comments below if you have any, and yeah, I shall see you again next time, guys. Thank you very much. Bye.